Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to convert this Grasshopper 2 to RC. I got this kit from a local seller and he told me that everything is in the box except for the chassis, and true enough the chassis is missing, but we have some of the model cover and the top covers for the chassis as well as the rollers. We also have the body shell. This is the driver and body shell is here. We do have the wheels and the tires as well as the motor, gears and copper contact parts. Right now I only have a Super 1 chassis. So this is the Super 1 chassis. And here I've already installed the white one-way wheels, which I featured in one of my previous videos, and also have the upgraded UltraDash 2 model to give it the extra speed. For the front wheels, they are not installed yet because I need to use the Tamiya steering set for this radio control conversion. Well, the first radio control conversion which I did a year ago uses this steering system set. It's from Tamiya, so this is original, and as you can see the parts are already removed from the plastic tree because I've used them. And specifically this system set is for the VS chassis, TZ and TZX chassis, so it will not fit on the Super 1 chassis I have here. Back in the day we have the Tamiya Mini 4WD cars, and there's also a knockoff called the Audi Mini 4WD cars. And fortunately, this steering system set, although it's a clone, is not exactly the same as the Tamiya one. It will fit on the Super 1. As stated here, fit on Super 1 and LV chassis. I have no idea what LV chassis is. I suppose it's a particular type of chassis for the Audi line. Anyway, let's use this steering set for the RC conversion for this Super 1 chassis. Alright, here's the Audi steering system set installed onto the car. Just like the Tamiya steering system set, there are no screws required. I just added some hot glue for security. And there's a steering axle here which controls the steering motion. Well, just like my previous RC conversion, I've attached a linear servo for steering and also made this push-pull linkage out of this paper clip. I've cut away the connector of the servo because I will be soldering these wires directly to the receiver. Speaking of the receiver, here's the backpack of electronics. Basically it has the receiver in the middle, the speed controller, as well as the 5 volts booster. This will step up the 1 cell LiPo pack to 5 volts to power the receiver. It's very compact, as you can see.
Alright, here's the Grasshopper completed, and you can see the driver sitting in there. I'm using the same colors as the box art. There's the canopy removed, sorry, the body shell removed, and you can see the electronics here. And we're going to use this 1 cell LiPo pack. I'm going to connect this, put back the body shell, and then we'll take it for a spin here. Here's the close-up of the Grasshopper 132 scale converted to the radio control. It's looking great. I've painted the rear shocks and the front shocks. And it's ready to roll. A quick test of the steering.